Outside of the RAV4, the Grand Highlander is one of the most popular vehicles in the Toyota lineup. Two of the most popular models within that lineup are the XLE and the Limited model. And I'm going to talk about reasons why those models are so popular and why most people end up choosing those particular vehicles. Here's the first reason why a lot of people migrate towards the XLE model. The XLE is the first trim level where you're going to have your leather seats. These are soft tech seats. They're not actual leather seats, so it's a little bit more durable. Nice hard bolstering, keeps you nice and stable in that seat. But these particular seats here are made out of a synthetic leather, so it's not your actual leather. So over a period of time, leather can wrinkle and rip, where this is a little bit more durable here, and you can get it in two different colors here. You can either get the black color interior, as you see here, or you can get the light gray interior. The XLE model is going to start at $47,480 before delivery and options. So let's talk about some of the options that you're going to be able to get on the XLE model. So you have your power seat, so that's 8-way adjustable. You have your Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. That's going to be throughout the Grand Highlander lineup, so that's going to give you automatic high beam lights, your lane departure, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision. You'll also get your latest features within that Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, such as your PDA, which is your proactive driver assist. And you have options such as your steering assist, you have your deceleration assist, and you have your obstacle avoidance. That's going to be standard throughout the Grand Highlander lineup. You'll also be able to get your safe exit assist. So if you're opening up your door and a vehicle or cyclist is passing you, look for that blind spot indicator on your side mirror to illuminate, and it's also going to give you an audible option. Although this particular model does not have a panel roof, you can absolutely get a panel roof on the XLE model. So you cannot get that on LE. You have to start at the XLE and up to get your panel roof. And it becomes standard on the Platinum model. With your soft tech seating, you do get heated seats. That is standard in the XLE model. And you're going to have 3 zones. You're going to have your driver, your passenger, and you're going to have your third zone, which controls the second row and the third row, but no heated seats. Whether or not you have kids or adults in the second row, you have those shades to protect from the glare of the sun. On the driver's side, also on the passenger side, power back door is standard on the Grand Highlander. And whether or not you go with the LE all the way up to the Platinum model, you have plenty of room behind the third row. Whether or not you're 5'2" or 6'2", the power gate is height adjustable. Done. There you have it, height adjustable. Let's check out the Limited model and see what's different between that and the XLE model. On your Limited model, you're going to have your 20-inch alloy wheels compared to your 18-inch wheels on the XLE model. On the Limited model, unlike the XLE model, you can get a forward-facing camera, and that's just an option. That's not standard until you get to the Platinum model. You're going to have sensors on the front of the Limited model, and you're also going to have sensors across the back. And just like the XLE model, you're going to have a power back door. But here's your difference, guys. You have a kick sensor on the Limited model. Looking on the inside of the Limited model, you have power folding side mirrors. You won't find that on the XLE model. You have memory seats. You have a heated steering wheel, which is standard. That's going to heat up at 9 and 3. 12.3-inch infotainment display is standard. This particular model has a premium 11-speaker JBL system with your speakers on the A-pillars and a subwoofer behind the third row. Then let's go with the XLE model or the Limited model. You're going to have wireless charging in both models. And just like on the XLE model, you can get a panel roof as an option as well. XLE model is going to come with a 7-inch digital cluster, but the Limited model is going to offer you a standard 12.3-inch digital cluster that gives you more information at the tip of your fingers. All Grand Highlander models will come with 3 zones: driver, passenger, and third zone. But unlike the XLE model, you're going to get heated seats in the second row standard on the Grand Highlander Limited model. And also, just like in the XLE model, you can get a bench or either a captain's, no additional charge. Here's a bonus for you guys. This piece can be removed. So therefore, if you have younger kids that need access to the third row, they don't have to step on this piece here and possibly damage it to be able to access the third row. Here's a few other tidbits for you guys. If you're looking for a little bit more equipment, if you're looking for the heads-up display, you're going to have to go to the Platinum model. Looking for ventilated second row seats, you're going to have to go to the Platinum model. If you're looking for a digital review mirror, you're going to have to go to the Platinum model. Other than that, the Limited has every option you could possibly need. If you don't need the extra equipment, then the XLE is a great choice for you. Grand Highlander Limited model is going to start at $48,860 before delivery and other options. So thanks for hanging out and discussing why the Limited and the XLE are 2 of the most popular models inside the Grand Highlander lineup. This is the Storm Cloud, which is a gorgeous color. This is a non-metallic color. This color is called a blueprint. At night, it may look like a black, but guys, it is a blue, as you can see from the reflection of the sun. They are also two of the most popular colors inside of the Grand Highlander lineup. So guys, that's going to wrap it up for me, but thanks for joining me and discussing these particular vehicles. They're super popular, not as popular as the RAV4, which you should see at your local Toyota dealerships the first of the year, guys. So be on the lookout for those. If you've enjoyed the content, please like, share, and subscribe. But thanks for hanging out. You can find me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Threads right here at Andre Drives. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop those in the comments. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time right here on Andre Drives. Peace and love, guys.